Welcome back everyone to my channel Arthicana. I am AnirbanPal. In this video I am going to try a fusion art of mandala and scribble for the very first time on YouTube. When you hear scribble art, you might not think the result could be sophisticated or artful, but I am sure you would be surprised by its attractive, unique and elegant outcome. If you are interested in any type of sketching, then I will suggest you to try the scribbling once. Maybe it will become your favorite, like what happened to me. So watch till the end, and if you find it's really fun to scribble, then let me know in the comment section, and I will start a tutorial on scribbling from the very beginning. Now jump into mandala. It is a complex and abstract type of design that is usually circular in form. In fact, the mandala is a Sanskrit word that means circle. The best thing about the designing your own mandala is that you have the freedom to choose whatever shape and color you wanna feel, which will express your sense of self and the view of reality. Once you know the basic steps of how to draw mandala, you can try new designs by using your creativeness, and the result will represent uniquely you. After this video, you can also check out my tutorials on mandala by simply clicking the I button above. That's it for today, and thank you for subscribing me. Goodbye, see you soon in the next video. Keep smiling and stay safe.